left on an overseas trip in a private jet, I am told the most luxurious in the world, where you are paying 5 million shillings per hour. That jet that he left with is the epitome of luxury, with a full bedroom and a massage parlor and a spa with a jacuzzi, steam, sauna, and the massage parlor has 4 girls from Seychelles. He is enjoying when Kenyans are struggling in air. And then you asking Kenyan that people have a problem with William Ruto because he's a Kalenjin. Kipchumba Murkomen, if you have forgotten. Nobody has any problem with the Kalenjin nation. When the people of Kenya elected William Ruto as president, they knew he's a Kalenjin. If they had a problem with the Kalenjins, they would not have elected him. Nobody has a problem with William Ruto because he's a Kalenjin. People have a problem with William Ruto because he's incompetent. And he's not what he promised the people of Kenya to be. He has killed their children. He has abducted their children. He has ruined the economy. He has run down all businesses. He has taken over every business in the country. Banking, insurance, hospitality, aviation, medical, education. He is in competition with the Kenyan people for businesses. And he has run out all Kenyan businesses from business. So when you come and tell us that people did not oppose Uhuru Kenyatta, they are opposing William Ruto because he's a Kalenjin. When we elected him, we knew he was a Kalenjin. And nobody has a problem with the Kalenjin nation. It's a very dignified community with good people. People with proven track record who have served this country with this distinction. People don't have a problem with the Kalenjin nation. They have a problem with William Ruto. It's unfortunate he's a Kalenjin. There's nothing we can do about it. But don't tell the people of Kenya that. That is thinking people are stupid. People are not. People are very intelligent. And you cannot trivialize such a national crisis into tribalism. Oh, people have a problem with Ruto because he's a Kalenjin. No, it's not the Kalenjins who have stolen from the people of Kenya. It's not the Kalenjins who have killed our children. It's not the Kalenjins who are making profit from fuel to the disadvantage of the Kenyan people. Please spare us that narrative. It cannot work. As for Rigathi Gachagua, you keep on threatening me so that I can keep quiet. Please be informed that I'll speak for the people of Kenya, and I'll speak the